Good morning, class. So today we are going to start new chapter, fifth chapter of your book, and the name of the chapter is numbers up to 1000. In the very first chapter we have discussed about numbers up to 200. Means we have already started 3-digit number. So before starting number up to 1000, I am going to recall 1-digit number, 2-digit number and also 3-digit number. So 1-digit number means the number which is having only 1 digit. Numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These comes under 1-digit number. These all numbers carrying only 1 digit, it is 1-digit number. Numbers which have 2 digit in each number, that comes under 2-digit number. So number started from 10. How many digits are here? 1 and 2. So started from 10, 11, 12, 13, just like up to 99. These numbers comes under 2-digit numbers. Okay. In 1-digit number there is only 1 digit in each number. In 2-digit number there is 2 digit in each numbers. Now 3-digit numbers started from 100 and going up to 999. These all numbers comes under 3-digit number. Okay, so number 101, 102, 103 like that up to 999. These all numbers comes under 3-digit number. Then after 999 there is 4-digit number, 1000 to so on. So here we are in this 1000 comes in the 4-digit number. So here we are going to discuss about numbers up to 1000. So 3-digit numbers from 100 to 999 are called 3-digit numbers. Such examples are 101, 102, 100, 103, 111, 211 like that up to 999. All numbers comes under 3-digit numbers. So in 3-digit number there is 3 place value. If I am taking a number 129, so 3 place value, the right side number, the very right side number, it is denoting the place value of ones. Middle number is showing the place value of tens and the left side number is showing 100 place value. So in 3-digit number there is 3 place value. Here I am taking one number 129. It is 3-digit numbers. So what is the place value of each number here? So 9. It is showing ones place, means 9 ones are here. So you can write here 9. Middle number, it is showing the tens place, means how many tens are here? 2 tens. So you can write 20. 2 tens is equal to 20 because 1 10 carrying 10 digits. Last one, it is showing the 100 place value. How many hundreds are here? 1. So it is 100. So in 3-digit number the place value should be right number which is in the right side, that is ones, middle number tens and the left side number is 100. Now if the number is given and you have to write the number name, if the number is given like this it is called number, but when you are writing the number like this it is called the number name, means you are writing the number in their name. So if it is a number 235, so what is the number name of this digit 235? So it is showing 100 place. How many hundreds are here? 200 and it is 35. So you can say 35 as 35. So it is 235. So it is the number, it is a form of number and you can write this number in the number name. It is 235. If I am taking one number this is 129. So what is the number of these number name of this number? How many hundreds are here? Only 1. So 100 How many tens are here? 2. And how many ones are here? 9. 2, 9. What we have called 2, 9? 29. So 129 is the number name of this given number. Okay. Now we are showing some numbers in a pictorial form. If one box is given there, it's showing ones. If the boxes are given in the form of 10 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is showing 1 tens. Means one group of 10 boxes. Here it is 10 boxes. So here it is 100 boxes. So it is showing one group of 100. Okay. So if the question is given like this, how many 100 is here? You can count it. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this it is 100. Okay. And it is 2 group of tens. And it is 2 ones. So if the question is given in pictorial form and you have to write down the given number, you have to find out how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, and how many ones are there. Then you have to calculate all them, and then it will be the given 3-digit number. So how many hundreds are here? Only one, no? Only one group of 100. So 100. How many tens are here? This is the one group of tens and it is second group of tens. So 2 tens are here. So 100 plus 2 tens. And how many ones are here? 1, 2. So 100 plus 2 tens plus 2 ones. Now 100 can be written as 100. 2 tens is equal to 2 into 10, 20, and 2 ones is equal to 2. So when we are writing these all numbers together, it will be 122 and it is 3-digit number. Okay. Now place value we have already discussed. Now place value 168. What is the place value of each number in these 3-digit numbers? So it is showing the right place. It is the place of ones, middle one is the place of tens, and it is the place of 100. So how many ones are here? 8 ones. It is equal to 8. How many tens are here? 6 tens. It is equals to 60. And how many ones are here? Only 100. How many hundreds are here? How many hundreds are here? Only 100 is here. So it is 100. So place value of each number is here. 8 is having 8, 6, 60, and 1 is equal to 100. Now greatest and smallest number. You have to find out greatest and smallest number from the given group of any numbers. We have already discussed all things in the first chapter. So here some numbers is given: 108, 98, 143, 101. These are the group of some numbers. You have to find out which one is greatest number and which one is smallest number. So firstly you have to find out all numbers are of same digit number, means all are of 3-digit number. It is 1, 2, 3, 3-digit number. This one is not 3-digit number, it is 2-digit number. So clearly it is the smallest number in this group, because all 2-digit number is smaller as compared to the 3-digit number. All 1-digit number is smaller as compared to the 2-digit number. So it is clearly we can see that this is 2-digit number and these all are 3-digit numbers. So automatically it is the smallest number in the group of these all number. So we can write a smallest number 98. Now we have to find out which one is greatest number, because these all are the number of 3-digit number. Now we have to do comparison between these numbers. So firstly we have to see the 100 place of each number. 100 place, this is 100 place, this is 100 place, and this is 100 place. So number which is in 100 place, that is 1. Means in 100 place each number is equal, because each number has in 100 place only 1 digit. Now we have to compare the tens number. So in tens number it is 0. Okay. In tens number it is 4. In tens number it is 0. So which one is greater as compared to 0, 0 and 4? 4. So this is greatest number in between 109, 143 and 101. Understood? Firstly, we have to see the digit of each number is same or not. If it is not same, the lowest number will be automatically you can find. Then we are going to compare the place value of each number. Firstly, we are going to comparing the 100 place. If the all digit in 100 place is same, then we are going to the tens place. Then lastly we are going to the ones place. So here in tens place it is 0, 0 and 4, and 4 is greater as compared to 0, 0. So it is the greatest number in between these number. Now second question is here. 123, 132, 147, 178. You have to find out the greatest number and also the smallest number. So firstly you have to find out these all are of 3-digit numbers, because there are 3 digits in each numbers. Now you have to compare the 100 place of each number. So here it is in 100 place 1. It is also 1, 1, 1. Means in 100 place each number is carrying number 1, which is same. Now we are moving to the next place value, tens. So here in the tens place value, here it is 7, it is 4, it is 3 and it is 2. So which one is greater in these all number? 7. So automatically 178 is the greatest number in between these numbers. Now which one is the smallest? See, 7, 4, 3, 2. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller as compared to 2, 3, 4, 7 to 123 is the smallest number in these number, and 123 and 178 is the greatest number between these numbers. Now we have to expand some numbers. Number is given in the standard form. You have to expand this number. So 147. How many hundreds are given here? 1 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. So we can write here 100 plus 4 tens plus 7 ones. 100 is equal to 100. 4 tens means 40 and 7 ones is equal to 7. So this is the expanded form of this number. 147, it is a standard form, and when we are writing the number according to their place value, it is the expanded form of any number. Now it is 108. So you can see here 100. How many hundreds are here? Only 1. How many tens are here? 0. And how many ones are here? 8. 100 plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. So we can write 100. No tens are here, 0 tens. So you can write 0 and 8 ones 8. So expanded form of 108 is equal to like this. So that's all for today. Whatever we are learning in this video, that all you have studied in the previous class. Just we are recalling each terms. Next video we will start new thing. So that's all for today. Thank you class.